got 2023, our first prophecy. A free meme ho. Anchor our 40 prophecies no. Owusu Bempah, suffer Owusu Bempah 2023 will die. He will die out of cancer. And from what I am seeing and what I heard from my God, you know, it's going to be a very bad death.
I share one call by Ediba attention TV so me come for Queen University ede among Queen University say on the ejanka emu adwuma na wafa de ato ne so mobru hu ede na ejanka bedi ansa na wada ubua eda ekomo we ya pint na Queen University say the number na edi ya hin wo screen na se sa picking the number atawe bia washa ompe no de free Queen University bia obi obeba beje bia momo obi bi kakra no ono so obeken ka won sase na ode ama enkwale ono so ebeje ntese ono to da pebibi ede ama enkwale nti moba man kiska kakra ode mana obedebe obeje no number na etwa ne no ane ye ne momo number eno ene de ensembe na ye se etwagu e wo man Ghana ye anu ohio Kelvin Taylor de asembe ba Ghana o ene de yakoda so le Kelvin Taylor e bofu ene de wadane ne ho te se ye papa no je se Rev.Owusu no te se Rev.Owusu Bempah je se ene no ye se do ye prophet ene wasanso ye Rev se ene no kan sem ni bom se ene Kelvin Taylor ahye nkon wo man Ghana ye Kelvin be kan sem ye de afa ye ya ye papa Rev.Owusu Bempah when Kelvin Taylor they said oh software prophet into wa hyenkom e de afa ye papa mo mienko na mo mienko tie embra.
In fact yanko a prophecy but I can tell you for a fact to say 2023 our prediction is that Owusu Bempah will die. Yeah. Osofo Owusu Bempah will have some serious illness to say cancer. 2023 he will die. I am predicting. And as I speak now here in my church, I am prophesying. Say Owusu Bempah will die in 2023 from cancer. Am I lying? How do you know I'm lying? Why are you not believing me? Do I have to bring an anointed oil? Do I have to come and tell you I was speaking to God? Yes, I did that before I came here. And as I speak to you now, this studio has been turned into a church. I am not predicting. I am prophesying. So Owusu Bempah will die in 2023. Owusu Bempah ebenya cancer. No, is Owusu Bempah not human? Can't he die? Why don't you believe me? That is how you need to think. And they say Obi Kacha say Kelvin Taylor ya madamfo. Now Busamu say Kelvin Taylor ohun say we na damfo. These are very important things you need to know. 2021, 2022, 2023 it's been the same thing. You got 2023, our first prophecy. A free meme ho. Anchor our 40 prophecies no. Owusu Bempah, suffer Owusu Bempah 2023 will die. He will die out of cancer. And from what I am seeing and what I heard from my God, you know, it's going to be a very bad death. Kevin, I don't know cancer. I don't know Kevin cancer Owusu Bempah bewu. Owusu Bempah onyenipa. Owusu Bempah is always seen among wu. Owusu Bempah predicted and turned into a prophecy said the chief imam would die. The chief imam onyenipa. And the chief imam himself knows he has lived a fruitful life. God gave us how many years? 70, 75 years. Chief imam is 100 years. Owusu Bempah predicted in the name of prophecy said the chief imam will die. The chief imam is still alive. So if I stand here and I say, from what I am seeing, I spoke to my God, Owusu Bempah will not make it in 2023. Cancer bekuno. I am predicting and prophesying at the same time because they are the same. I didn't know say, hey, I didn't Kevin Okasa, but Owusu Bempah to my catcher say, oh, Oyiribewu, Obabewu, President Bewu, opposition leader Bewu. Inti dia nama Owusu Bempah ye different from the American and I said dia wutie no. It's important. Owusu Bempah busu eni oni abusuafo. Asofo mobile prediction or channel. Don't they have family members? Why are they not predicting? Why are they not prophesying about their wives? Why are they not prophesying about their kids? Why are they not prophesying about themselves? Busa what's that question no? These pastors, Why are they not hearing anything from God about themselves? And if they hear it, why are they not speaking it in public for everyone to hear? Because it is about you. It is about the fear they want to put in you. When was the last time you heard these men of God, so-called men of God, predict about their own children, predict about their wives, about their girlfriends, about Omwankasa Omunipa? When was the last time they did that? But Omakacho said, Onyankopon kachire no told him about you. When was the last time? We expect them say Ochina Omusuba. They should tell us about their families. At the body bia be see or mobusuomo ana. Sa at the body bia nsia and the yeso at the body bia nsi ewe fie. Because almost you Ghana for to Ghana. But I've never heard any of these guys predict or prophesy about themselves before. Why God, Nyankopon ni omonkasa emfa omankasa abrabom. Are they not going to die? Are they not humans? Or they are extraordinary and nobody should tell them about themselves? These are basic questions you need to be asking yourself. Because every 31st night, who will be awesome and so what is the problem? Any problem no? A problem no? Why can't they see anything about themselves? Why is it said when they see things about themselves, they don't tell us, but they want to tell the world what they saw about us because they want to control you. Because psychologically, they want to put a burden on you that you always run to them for help. And that is how they become billionaires like Otabo. That's how they become wealthy like Duncan Williams. That's how they become rich like Jinasari. That's why they become so powerful in your brains. That's why young men who cannot read and write like Obofo, Obinimo, Salifo Amwako, these bleachers, they at the end of the day become wealthy. You are scared of them because they play on your conscience. They play on your intelligence. They are perfect. There's nothing wrong in their family. Nobody is going to die. Yarabia and Kubi, Kabia and Kubi, Omankasa dear, Omabusium dear, everybody is covered. But what dear, you have a problem. So tomorrow, Moko Asramusa said, Softway. Since say about 20 years ni 10 years ni onsem come for our honda onsem come en for our yere honda onsem come for our ma honda and then they can be chere for obusuom na muntie di omo beka. Ask them. They are going to predict tomorrow. They are not going to prophesy. So ask them, can they predict about their families? Can they predict about their kids? Can they predict about themselves? They will not do it. You know why? Because they know that they don't have anything. They know they did not listen to any word from God. They know that they are acting. They know that they are playing on your conscience. And that is what we are trying to stop. That is what we are trying to stop. So it is something that it's a huge war. It will take time, but ordinary Ghanaians will come to that realization. Says, say, and I will say it. Mama man nipa bi emfa mo ho enya omo ho. Nipa bi ani asase so a oti onyankopon ni. No man born by a woman. Nipa bi ani asase so ohome eteseme eti onyankopon ni chen. God lives with every single individual. Your actions, dear obeye wanamontuo, will be the voice of God to you. Me say dear wanamontuo eni onyame asem eni ne no bekasa. So there's no God sitting anywhere else and saying, and then I do there, Rev.Owusu Bempah bekasa, and then I do Duncan Williams bekasa afa Kevin Taylor. There's nothing like that. Your actions. I'm a grown-up man. Every decision I take, I think about it, and I know the consequences. Bonibia medibia mean consequences, no. So my actions, no, will be what I'll be talking to. My actions and no, the consequences, no, will be what I will be dealing with. Meaning, say, I am doing this, it is wrong. And I know the consequences. But the moment I fight that conscience, I fight that thing talking to me have a conscience, you know, I am fighting the word of God.
O me ane share me say ma kwa ba de ba attention to you. Can we tell the assemble pagana? I see the Kevin Taylor and so for prophet Kevin Taylor Kasankasa. Yay! Ghana yet there. Yes, and what Ghana have an India obua. Brother Betty, one piece, that's still attention to some when you are your best. Ghana, any other whole Ghana wo Ghana ni areho say na release stress any attention TV so na ne obenya nsem ayi say obenya bi asere bibia nje say release stress nje say ne okomu nyina ze wagya ebina de ato ba bi na de ato echi na wo babrabo no akọ wanim maka wa emwa PSN na tele da se ne hisa we share ho attention TV so